Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
रुकते हैं. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. गर्मी है बहुत. मैंने फैन नहीं चलाया बिकॉज वो फैन चलाने से लाइक वो ऑडियो पे थोड़ा इफेक्ट होता है, इसलिए पसीना पोंछना पड़ता है.
Sir, আপুনি ঘৰতে আছে?
না, ফটি. ओके, तो टुडे आज वो जर्नल कैसे बनाएंगे दैट we'll learn. Okay, yesterday I have shown you the format. कल मैंने फॉर्मेट दिखा दिया था. सो आज देखेंगे कि कैसे बनाएंगे. जो स्क्रीन पे तुम लोगों को जो दिखाई दे रहा है, what you can see in the screen, that is the question. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन अगर आता है तो ऐसे आएगा. ओके, जैसे कि अब क्वेश्चन ऐसे है कि जर्नलाइज द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन या जर्नलाइज द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शंस. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हियर we have taken example of MS Chaudhary drug store. Okay, कोई भी drug store का नाम MS Chaudhary drug store, and उनका जो April, in the month of April 2021 whatever transaction जो हुआ है उनका, तो उसको हम लोग को जर्नलाइज करना है या जर्नल के फॉर्मेट में हम लोग को बिठाना है. सो हियर वी कैन सी यहाँ पे ये ईयर है 2021, ये अप्रैल, एंड दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है तो इसी फॉर्मेट में आएगा. ठीक है, सो ये अप्रैल 1 on date April, on 1st of April, Mr. Chaudhary, he started his business. Okay, he started his business with a capital of rupees 15 lakhs. Okay, then here date 2 है, this is April 2. On April 2 he bought some furniture. April 3 he bought some electronic items. ऐसे करके चलता रहता है. यहाँ मैंने सिर्फ April 11 का ही लिखा है. only till April 11 I have written here. 31st तक होना चाहिए. ओके, सो लेकिन ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा फॉर दिस सेशन. टाइम नहीं. हाँ बोलो, उतना टाइम नहीं है. सो only till date 11 I have written here. Okay, so this will have to put in the format of journal. Okay, so we'll start. But before we start, we'll have to, I told you that rules, मैंने those golden rules मैंने जो बताया था, so that you'll have to know first. Okay, तो उसको मैं पहले लिख लेता हूँ, यहाँ पे कॉपी कर देता हूँ. Okay, so this was our rule. Okay, this was our rule. All those rules, golden rules. This one you have to, इसको दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. हाँ, तभी you'll be able to do this. Okay. So अभी हम start करेंगे. Okay. So heading, जब तुम ये journal जब बनाओगे तो heading will be something like this. I hope you can see. Okay. Heading will be something like this. Journal of, what was the name of the store? Journal of, name of the store. Okay. Okay. MS Chaudhary Drugstore. For which month? For the month of April 2021. So like this you have to start. Then you'll have to make ये 5 columns. Okay, कल जैसे format में मैंने दिखाया था. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे column set कर रहा हूँ. Okay, 5 columns you'll have to make. Okay, so what will be on the first column? Date. That date will be there. The next will be particular. Okay, then next will be our LF. Okay, L the F. The next will be debit amount. Okay, then rupees. Okay, then your next will be, this will be credit amount. ये हो गया हम लोग का heading complete. Okay, so first now we will go back to the question. So this is the format. Okay, this is the format. Now we'll go to the question. Okay, so here first is April date 1. Okay, so we'll write April date 1 here. We'll write April then 1. Okay, April 1. Now we'll see here. So here Mr. Chaudhary, he started his business. He started his drugstore. Okay, so in वो ड्रग स्टोर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट उसने कैश निकाला 15 lakhs का कैश निकाला. ओके, नाउ ये जो एक्टिविटी उसने जो किया कैश निकालने का टू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस, फर्स्ट थिंग इज विल आइडेंटिफाई कि कौन सा 2 ट्रांजेक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, कौन सा 2 ट्रांजेक्शन हो रहा है. फर्स्ट he took out cash. Okay, he took out cash of 15 lakh. From where did he take out? From his own capital or from his own money. So two accounts were, first is cash account because he took out cash. So one will be cash account. Second will be कहाँ से निकाला? From his own capital, that is capital of Mr. Chaudhary. So next account is Chaudhary's capital. ठीक है? So just try to understand again. On 1st April he started his business. How did he start? By giving cash of 15 lakhs. So two accounts are involved. One is cash account and second is from where did he take out? From his own capital, that is capital of Mr. Chaudhary. So Chaudhary capital. Okay. Now, according to our rules, okay, the rules, cash account is our real account, right? Cash account is our real account. So according to the rule here, which one will be debit? Cash came in, cash आया था ना, cash came in. So according to this, what comes in will be the debit according to the rule. First is cash is real account. You have identified that cash is real account. Now, according to the rule, what comes in, we will keep it as debit. So what came in? Cash came in, right? So we'll write here. In particulars, we'll write here cash account. Okay. Then you give some space. So I'll just adjust. Let me just adjust the space. Okay. Okay. So cash account. So this is the way to write. Okay. Then you give some space here, and then here you'll write DR. Okay. DR for debit. Okay. Debit is written as DR. So first account you have written and you give some space here. Okay. Some space. So किसी को नींद आ रहा है क्या? मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. माइक ऑन है. Okay. So second is that cash account, वहाँ पे पैसा आया. Okay, पैसा आया. So according to the rule, what comes in will be under debit. So I have written debit here. How much was the amount that was debited? 15 lakhs. Right. 15 lakhs for debit. So that's why हमने यहाँ पे debit लिखा है. कहाँ पे हुआ? Chaudhary's account, from Chaudhary's capital, right? Okay. Was the amount? कितना amount? 10,000. Lakhs. Okay. See, line change हुआ. Just notice, okay? इस line पे नहीं, next line पे लिखना है. ठीक है? And then here, in bracket, you have to write the details again. क्या क्या हुआ था? Okay. So go back to the question now, and then see, Mr. Chaudhary started his business with a capital of rupees this month. So bracket में you'll have to write business with cash. तुम अपने लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि यही लिखना है. Okay? So you can write on your own. Okay. So here cash account में आया 15 lakhs. कहाँ से आया? From Chaudhary's capital. That's why we have given here the credit amount 15 lakh and debit amount 15 lakh. Okay. So you'll understand. We'll go to the next. ये हो गया date 1. This is over for April date 1. Now on 2nd of April क्या हुआ? Okay, this is 2nd of April. So on 2nd of April, bought furniture for cash of rupees 20,000. Okay, so just imagine यहाँ पे क्या क्या हो रहा है. एक हुआ furniture, one is furniture, and one is cash. Okay, so bought furniture. He bought furniture. मतलब what came? Furniture came. Furniture आया ना उसके पास. क्या गया उसके वहां से? कैश गया. कितना कैश गया? 20,000 का कैश गया. ओके, he bought furniture. So क्या आया उसके पास? फर्नीचर आया. So we'll put it in the debit here. Okay, so this is for date 2. So we'll put here furniture account. फर्नीचर आया उसके पास. ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस LF. फिलहाल के लिए नहीं चाहिए अभी. ओके, so furniture came to him. How much? For how much? 20,000. Now क्या गया उसके वहां से? कैश. कैश गया ना? कितना गया? कैश भी गया 20,000. Okay, so in bracket we'll write bought furniture with cash. Okay, ये हो गया date 2 का. Now we'll see about date 3. Date 3 का भी सेम. क्या खरीदा उसने? Bought electronic items. हो गया ना, बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट, वायरिंग वगैरह वो सब. So he bought electronic items for cash of rupees 50,000. So two things are involved here. First is electronic items खरीदा for cash. Okay, so क्या आया उसके पास? electronic items. Okay, electronic items. Oh, for how much? 50,000. 50,000. क्या गया उसके वहां से? कैश. कितना कैश गया? 50,000. Okay, so and then bracket you write bought electronic items for cash. Okay, that was date for date 3. Now again for date 4, you see bought refrigerator for cash of rupees 15,000. Okay, so here this is for date 4. What did he buy? Refrigerator. क्या आया उसके पास? Refrigerator. For how much? 15,000. क्या गया उसके वहां से? Cash. For how much amount? 15,000. So here bracket you can write bought refrigerator for cash. Okay, this is for date 4. Now again same for date 5, purchase computer for rupees 25,000. Okay, so same we'll write, we can write here. Okay, so just copy this. So this will be 5. Here it will be computer. Okay, computer he purchased for 25,000. Okay, and here it will be computer. Okay, now on date 6. So on date 6, he purchased medicine. Okay, he purchased medicine from where did he purchase? Ramesh Medical Hall. Okay, for rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, so here we'll consider two. Okay, one account will be his purchase account. उसने खरीदा, purchase account. Next, how did he buy? By giving cash. Okay, so medicines are purchased from Ramesh Medical Hall for rupees 3,000. So here we'll consider. Okay, for date 6, क्या खरीदा उसने? Purchase. उसने देखो यहाँ पे he purchased medicine, right? medicine आया उसके पास and cash गया. So since medicine came to him, what comes in will be the debit. Medicine आया उसके पास. So purchase. How much medicine came to him? कितने का medicine आया? 3 lakhs. Okay. क्या गया उसके वहां से? He paid 3 lakhs for the medicine. Okay. So cash. How much? 3 lakhs. So here you can write purchase medicine. Okay. Next. Next, date 7. On 7, he sold. He sold the medicine. Okay, sold the medicine for credit. बाकी में sell किया उसको. To whom did he sell? To Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy को 2,000 रुपए के बाकी में medicine sell किया. Not on cash, but बाकी में. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो किसके वहां पे क्या गया. Okay, Mr. Roy got the medicine, right? But जो कैश है, कैश ऑफ द स्टोर, ड्रग स्टोर, उसके वहां पे लेकिन पैसा नहीं आया, राइट? बट मिस्टर रॉय गॉट हिज मेडिसिन. ओके, सो मिस्टर रॉय or you can say instead of okay, we'll call it Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy got medicine. कितना मेडिसिन मिला उसको? 2,000 रुपीज का. ओके, बट किसके वहां से गया? सेल्स. विल कॉल इट सेल्स. सेल्स, यहाँ सेल्स ऑफ द शॉप, ऑफ द स्टोर. ओके, उसका सेल्स 2,000 गया. Then date 8. So here medicines were sold for cash. उस दिन सेल बहुत हुआ, 25,000 का सेल हुआ. कैसे हुआ? कैश. So क्या आया? कैश आया, right? Cash came. Okay, cash came and the medicine when. Okay, or we'll call it as sales. Okay, so Number 8, just see medicines were sold for cash. Okay, wait, someone texted me. Okay, 3 लाख में 50 है. Okay, जाहिर 3 लाख में 50 है, no problem. इसको इमेजिन कर लो कहाँ पे पास. हाँ, ठीक है. ओके, तो 30 लाख का हो गया, ज़्यादा हो गया. यहाँ पे भी क्या लिखा मैंने, 30 लाख लिखा था क्या? तो नहीं नहीं, ऊपर से ही लिखा था, नीचे यहाँ पे. ठीक है. ओके जाहिर, थैंक यू फॉर द करेक्शन. Okay, so we'll come back here now. Number 8. Okay, so we are sold for cash of 25,000. So cash came, right? So cash account is being debited. Yes, I have 25,000. Cash 25,000. Okay, क्या गया? Medicine गया from sales. Okay. Right, 1,000. Okay. Now number 9. In number 9, the rent paid for 10,000. The rent was paid. Rent जहाँ पे वो store है, the drug store wherever it is, उसका room का कुछ rent होगा ना. So rent was 10,000. So rent was paid. From where rent got paid? From cash, right? So क्या गया? Cash गया, right? Cash गया, कहाँ गया? Rent के पास गया, rent account के पास गया, right? और rent account में debit हुआ ना? 10,000. Okay, I forgot to write here. Sold medicine on credit to Mr. Roy. Now I will sold medicine for cash. Okay. Now here rent. Okay, to cash account. So here we can write rent paid 10,000. So this was on date 9. Now what about date 10? Date 10, you paid salary to staff of rupees 20,000. Staff, वहाँ पे जो staff काम करता है उसको 20,000 का salary you have paid. So सैलरी को डेबिट हुआ ना, सैलरी अकाउंट को डेबिट हुआ ना, उसके पास से तो गया है सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच? 20,000. कहाँ से? कैश. कैश से गया ना 20,000. सैलरी paid. Then on 11. Okay. Now 11 was deposited cash of rupees 25,000 to बैंक. कहाँ पे डिपॉजिट किया? बैंक को. तो पैसा किसको डेबिट हुआ? बैंक, राइट? बैंक में पैसा डिपॉजिट किया था, बैंक. तो बैंक को डेबिट हुआ. What was the amount? 20,000. Okay. कहाँ से गया? To cash. Okay. So deposited cash in bank. Okay. How much? 25,000. And then after all this is done, यहाँ पे total लिखना है, okay? Total amount. तो total amount तुम लोग निकाल लेना कितना हुआ है, okay? You can hear also here tell me total amount लिखना. So total amount तुम लोग निकाल देना, okay? So this is how it is, this journal it is made, okay? हाँ आप बताओ कोई confusion है? ज़्यादा time नहीं है, जल्दी बताओ, सिर्फ 8 minutes remaining है. After that it will get cut. Yes. Yes.
No, sir.
Understood, really? Sure. झूठ मत बोलो. After your sessional, I'll give you some 1 or 2 questions, and then you'll have to show me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
समझ में आया सच में? आया कि
थोड़ा
नहीं?
थोड़ा है. आया सर.
अच्छा. What about Zahir?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? Hello?
सर समझ में आया.
आया?
Yes, sir.
Those rules, वो जो rule है ना, you'll have उसको याद रखना पड़ेगा, हाँ? Okay then. We'll meet next week. What about Nasiruddin?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. We'll see you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.